This is my grandma. Her, me, and my mom decided to start a small business. My mom's an artist and has been painting her whole life. But art can be expensive, and we wanted to make a way to have art without having to spend so much money, which is why we created our brand Nature Escape. Every month we send people mail, and every month is a new theme. In the envelope, you get a 5x7 art frame.
Morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by